Because summer is coming sooner than ever, I started to actually have nightmares about swimsuit season. I started the weight loss program, I started working out, and everything is going as planned. However, I still don't think it is going at the speed rate I wanted. Even if I know I should not lose weight faster than I want to, I am still looking for natural alternatives to keep myself focused and going. Thus, I have come across with Dr. Oz's Swimsuit Slimdown Drink, and it really changed my life. Any insecurities I had before, they end today because now I also have the energy moving forward. Thus, keep watching and see for yourself how to get ready for the summer with this amazing slimdown drink. For this recipe, you will need only 3 ingredients. 1 cup of grapefruit, orange or pineapple juice, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey. Now, make sure you mix all these ingredients in the mixer until you get a juice consistency. How exactly does this slimdown drink work? Well, the juice is loaded with vitamin C, which will help you burn fat faster, especially during exercise. In fact, according to Dr. Oz himself, people with adequate vitamin C levels burn 30% more fat during moderate exercise than individuals low in vitamin C. Meanwhile, the acetic acid contained in the vinegar may switch on genes your body needs to pump out fat-burning proteins. If you find the drink a bit tart, you would add 1 teaspoon of honey, which only adds 20 calories, for sweetness. Also, if you drink Dr. Oz's secret slimdown drink before every meal, and you'll literally burn away your fat while enjoying a citrusy delight. What a better way to start exercising and losing weight. It is an incredible drink, full of vitamins, and it will definitely boost your immune system. All while you will also shed off the fat. You have to get on this right away. I drink this before each meal and I can really feel it working. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.